Welcome to Graflix Direct Mailing Services. We're here to help you create a successful campaign. Our 5-step process starts with a consultation. We'll work with you to understand your goals and target audience. Next, we'll handle the design and printing of your campaign materials. This includes eye-catching designs and high-quality prints. We'll take care of everything from selecting the right mailing list to distribution. Our team will ensure your campaign reaches the right people. After your campaign is sent, we'll work with you to track the results and provide you with detailed analysis. This helps us optimize future campaigns. Our goal is to help your business grow. We'll work efficiently to meet your deadlines and deliver exceptional results. So, if you're interested in our direct mailing services, let us know. We're ready to help you create a successful campaign.